Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to LearnBase Mission Appraisal 2024. I'm your host and host Pritesh, and today we'll be talking about prompt engineering. Well, appraisal is around the corner, we all know about that, and to get an appraisal to perform better in the upcoming year, we all need to upskill. Irrespective of the domain you are in, whether you are in BFSI or marketing or HR or healthcare or supply chain or retail or manufacturing, you have to upskill. And to upskill, what we need is we need to learn more. We need to upgrade ourselves. We need to update our skills, right? And one of the skills that you can think about is prompt engineering. Now, prompt engineering is nothing but an art to master ChatGPT or other large language models, that is LLM. Now, we all know that Google is also coming up with the amazing, mega, monstrous large language model, that is Gemini. But all these large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, they all are there in the market. But do we know how to use them? Well, if you think that you are a master at ChatGPT or Gemini or any other LLM, just try to put in a prompt in the large language model and see the response that you get. And now test yourself whether you are 100% satisfied with it or not, right? And I'm sure that maximum of us do not get the required response from these LLMs. And that is why understanding that how these LLMs work is very, very important. And that is what prompt engineering is all about. Whatever the question that we ask these LLMs is nothing but a prompt. And to understand that how these prompts work is nothing but prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is something which enables you to master the LLMs. It is very, very important because prompt engineering, as I told you, it teaches you the art of entering the best prompts to get the ideal response, right? And you will be happy to know that LearnBay is offering you ChatGPT course absolutely free of cost along with our other certification programs. So if you are interested to master prompt engineering, well, you can join a certification program at LearnBay. There are many of them available for your particular domain, and you get ChatGPT course absolutely free of cost. Now, first of all is that what is the scope of these prompt engineering programs? So if you are a master in prompt engineering, you can expect a salary of up to 17 lakhs per annum. Yes guys, along with your other skills, if you are somebody who is a pro at prompt engineering, you can expect a salary to go up to 17 lakhs per annum. That is a huge amount. That goes up to what? Like say 1.7, 1.8 lakhs per month. That's a good amount, right? So prompt engineering is very, very important, and also it is super easy. The best part is that it is super easy for anybody, irrespective of the domain, to understand prompt engineering. It doesn't have much of technicalities. All it teaches you is to enter the best possible prompt, and it makes you understand that how do these LLMs process. And when you know the processing, you know what to enter to get the desired output, right? So think about it. The next one is that where to learn. So as I told you that LearnBay is giving you ChatGPT course along with generative AI absolutely free of cost with as a combo to our certification programs. So you can enroll for our certification programs and get generative AI and ChatGPT absolutely free of cost. Apart from that, there are many other learning portals where you can learn prompt engineering by paying a nominal fee. It's a short course, it's not a very, very long course, and you also get to learn it through the best possible mentors if you are enrolling with LearnBay, but even in other portals as well. It's not very difficult, it's not very technical. So irrespective of the domain you are in, you can enroll for prompt engineering, right? And apart from that, you can obviously connect with us because LearnBay is giving you ChatGPT along with generative AI as a combo to our certification programs absolutely free of cost. So where if you enroll with LearnBay, suppose you enroll with LearnBay and you are somebody who comes from the marketing domain. So you enroll with LearnBay to learn the two strongest pillars of marketing domain, that is data science and AI. We give you generative AI and ChatGPT absolutely free of cost. So here you're not upskilling by one level, you're upskilling by 3 levels, because once you finish this certification program, you are trained in data science and AI in marketing, you are trained in generative AI, and you are trained in ChatGPT. Voila, oh my god. So then the appraisal that you can expect is not going to be 2 figures, it's going to be 3 figures, right? So that is how LearnBay will help you to shape your career. LearnBay will help you to take your career in the direction that you want it to go in, right? So my dear friends, with that, I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much for watching. This was Mission Appraiser 2024 session on upskilling yourself with prompt engineering. I hope this was useful. I hope this was insightful. If it was, make sure that you share it with all your friends and colleagues. And until I see you again with yet another amazing and informative session, this is Pritesh, your host and your host from LearnBay, signing off for now. See you soon. Take care. Keep watching. Keep learning.